Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom badges to products in Shopify using the Sleek theme. This is a great way to highlight special items like new arrivals or hot sellers, making them stand out to your customers right away. First, head over to Shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Products. This will take you to your product catalog where you can view and edit all the items you're selling in your store from your product list. Go ahead and click on any product you want to add a custom badge to. This will open up the product editing page. On the right side of this page, you'll notice a section labeled Tags. This is where we'll be adding our custom badge information. Here's where the format becomes important. To make custom badges work properly with the Sleek theme, you need to use a specific tag format. For example, you can use something like tag __ new _ n new AR rival or tag __ hot _hot. The format is crucial because the theme recognizes this pattern and converts it into a visual badge on your product pages. Make sure you copy this format exactly as shown. Once you've entered your tags, click the Save button at the top of the page. This ensures all your changes are stored before moving on to the next step. Now on the left side of your dashboard, click on Online Store. This will display your current themes. Locate your Sleek theme and click Edit Theme. This opens up the theme customization interface where you can modify how your store looks and functions. At the top of the theme editor, click on Homepage. This will open a drop-down menu showing different page types. From this menu, click Products, then select Default Product. This takes you to the template that controls how individual product pages are displayed. On the left side panel, click on Product Information. This section controls what information is shown on your product pages. Next, click Add Block. A menu will appear with various block options you can add to your product pages. From this list, click Badges and Tags. At this point, the custom badges you set up earlier will now appear on your product pages based on the tags you assigned. The theme automatically converts your tag format into attractive, eye-catching badges that shoppers will see when browsing your products. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right corner to publish all your changes. Your custom badges are now live and visible to customers viewing your products. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.